Hey guys, this is Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida, and I'm here to show you the Georgetown 328 that just came on our lot here a couple days ago. And it is nice. Start out with the wood-like flooring here. Tough and durable. Lounge chair with ottoman right there. Your driver's seat area is up here. Of course, you have pull-down slides on each side, and then this is an automatic curtain up here on the front. Does sit on a Ford chassis, V10. Radio, dash fan, generator set, your backup camera screen, Jensen stereo, AC, your generator hour meter. Up here you have storage as well with the map lights. Help you see when you're traveling at night. The first big slide to the right here. Nice sofa bed here. A dinette turns into a bed as well. We have day shades and night shades. Nice balances, of course, cupboard storage all through here. Take a look inside that. Put DVDs, CDs, books, storage, whatever you need it for. This, of course, just comes down with a release of a lever. Here in the kitchen, you'll notice we have solid surface countertops. All of the sink covers are hard as well. They can make double as your cut veggies on, or just a good cutting board. Here's your backsplash, also solid. Frigidaire microwave, stainless steel sink, storage under here, and of course oven with 3-burner stove with oven covers as well. Alright, moving here, looks like we have about a 40-inch screen here in the living room. Storage underneath there and up here as well. And I do believe that this can come out and make it easier for the rest of the living room to see. Alright, one of the best features of this RV is its 4-door Frigidaire, full residential fridge. I guess it's 3-door actually.
Andre! This unit in here, huh?
And that was someone looking for someone. Guess he wasn't in here. Alright, moving on. Here's between the bedroom and the living area, we have the storage here for clothing. And actually, this is, I don't see this a lot, but in this Georgetown we have washer and dryer hookups. So if you would like us to put a washer or dryer in for you when you buy this RV, that is definitely an option. Of course, show you this little door right here. This is kind of an extension to the pantry. Really cool. Roll out drawers, makes it easy to get in and out. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom, there's a stainless steel sink, medicine cabinet. You also have some storage up here. Your shampoo, soap, whatever you need. Your lighting, towel there. And of course our 4-flush toilet by Dometic. I believe that is a porcelain model, so very residential-like. And here, of course, your shower. It's a corner shower, and it rolls in just like this. There you are. And then storage here for toilet paper, paper towels, whatever else you have. And ventilation, skylight, of course. Alright, here are all of your controls So we can focus in on there. Oh, there we go. Your slide controls, water controls, your black, fresh, and gray tank indicators as well. Nice big window here in the master bedroom. Nice bedspread. Queen size bed. Storage up there, his and her reading lights. Little thing jutting out here. Put a glass of water there at night. Whatever you need. All of the TVs in here are made by Toshiba. Beautiful flat screen TV. That looks to be about 32 inches. Storage here for all your clothes, mirrors, more clothing, storage. Okay. I think that's about it for the inside. Let's go take a look on the outside. This does have a suggested retail of $124,370. Of course, we don't sell it for the MSRP. Usually put it on sale much lower than that. Alright. We have 2 slide outs here. This is a 3 slide out RV. And we have a TV on the outside as well, entertainment system. Like I said, it's listed on a Ford V10 chassis. Nice storage underneath. Taking a look back here, we have our walk-on ladder and our backup camera. There's also cameras on each side of the RV to get rid of that blind spot that is so easy to have with a big vehicle like this. Another big slide out here. Frameless windows. Very nice addition, something I don't think we had on previous models. Gives it a slicker look. We also have slide toppers here that helps with the longevity of your slides and also keeps from any water leaks that may occur. Overall, this is a pretty nice coach. If you have any questions about this, feel free to contact us at 772-446-1370, or you can also contact us through the website, fill out that rock bottom price, and we would love to work with you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.